somebody has kindly taken the kids this weekend, so we have come to a lake nearby Gorsko Kosovo. Sorry for the pronunciation. And this is our pitch for tonight. Bit of glamping. Wild glamping. We've taken the dogs for a walk. Dogs are tired. We've taken the seat out of the van, the back seat out of the van. So we've got a nice comfy chair and also a fishing chair. And then we've got some potatoes cooking in tin foil on the barbecue, and Penny is making a chilli.
Chili con carne.
Yeah. Spoiling us tonight. There's a guy going past on a boat now. Take you to look at the lake. Nice spot. It's very low. It's not been much rain, so very, very low this time of year. Oh, and I'm being followed. Copper! Copper! What are you doing? Look at this. Can think of worse places to be. Beautiful. And best thing is, there's nobody here apart from this guy on his boat. And maybe one fisherman over there in the distance. Fantastic. I just hope it doesn't rain, because we're going to have fun getting out of this track in the morning if it does. Have a better look at our pitch. Just a nice little grassed area. Managed to get the van nice and level. Well, ish. And there's loads of dead wood standing, which we've been able to gather to make our fire. Perfect.
Okay, I'm making a chili. Oh, campfire chili. Got some pork and beef mince here. Of course, it was all that we could get. Short notice. I've got some chopped peppers, garlic, onions, mushrooms, and then I've got all the spices mixed together ready just to go in. Tomato puree. Couldn't get kidney beans, so we just got white beans. It doesn't matter. A bean's a bean, as Graham said. And then
what's your spices?
We've got some cumin, salt, pepper, cumin. There's beef stock in there. There's chili. There's some paprika because we didn't have cayenne. Oh, I don't know. I did it this morning. And then I've got my flask of hot water over there just to make things a bit quicker.
Chocolate?
Yes, and chocolate.
Got to have chocolate on chili.
Just a little bit of chocolate. Not a lot. If we'd have had some Marmite, I would have put that in, but we haven't got any. So we're just going to brown this off, and I'm going to put the vegetables in. And then fry them off a little bit, and then add everything else. Welcome back. Right, the mince is ready enough. Because it's got pork in there, it's not going to brown. I'm going to add the vegetables now. Try not to spill them everywhere. Bandit saying please do. Okay, in we go. So peppers, onion, garlic and mushrooms. What do you put in your chilli? Do you add vegetables? I'm adding all these because the children don't like them and they're not here. So we can have what we want tonight.
Could have put courgette in it if we'd have had some.
Oh, yeah. Courgette goes really well in it. Oh, it smells good. Can you smell that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're just going to do that and then we'll add in all the spices.
And then the passata.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Adding the spices now. There goes in the chocolate powder. The rest of that out with the hot water. Whoa, sizzle, sizzle. You smell good, copper. Put a little look, haven't you? Let's take it off the heat a minute. That's a bit savage. Campfire cooking. We were going to have burgers, but we decided to have chilli. And if there's any left over, we have a container. We could take it home. We can have some tomorrow. Double the goodness. Oh, maybe we could have it for breakfast.
If you're going to do this, don't use your best pan.
This was my best pan.
Not anymore.
No. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of water in here.
That's starting to look like chilli already.
Yeah.
Mm.
There we go. Think the potatoes are ready for a turn there, Mr. Graham?
Maybe.
Okay. Just going to turn the potatoes. Come back and join us after. And we'll add the beans and the passata. Passata going in. This says tomato puree on the carton, but as you can see, it's passata. There we go. This smells super good. It's got loads of cumin in it. And it's just, oh, look at that now.
That just needs to simmer now.
Don't spill it. Oh, we've got some bread as well, so we can have a dip. Plate cleaners. Look at copper. Oh, copper. Okay, we're going to leave this to simmer. While that's simmering, I'm going to tidy up my rubbish, put it in a bag, and put it in the bin when we go home. Remember, when you're doing wild camping, always tidy up after yourself. You've got nature to think about. Make sure any campfires are out properly. Okay, so now we're going to add the beans. We've got big beans, butter beans. Graham said, what did you want? I said, just whatever. So in they go. Oh, look at them. Hello, Bandit.
Best friend is here now. Man's best friend.
Oh, I've got some garlic and some bread. We could do some garlic bread.
Ooh.
Toast it and then just rub the garlic on it.
No, you might be talking. But then again...
Will we have too much?
Yeah.
So we've got 4 potatoes in here because we've done 2 for tomorrow morning.
There's one there.
And we will have them with our breakfast tomorrow morning. We have sausage, we have eggs, and we have potatoes. And we will fry it up in an omelette.
We just need to let that cook the bean.
Cook the beans through.
Yeah. And then we can
hopefully the potatoes
get the tatties out and
eat.
Yeah, and eat.
Really does smell good.
I think it needs more chocolate.
No,
You got any?
no, definitely not. That's enough.
Okay, I'll take your word for it.
Right, Graham, let's serve it up. Oh, look at those spuds. Oh, wow. So soft.
Nicely burnt on outside, you can't beat it.
Sadly, no butter to put in it, but healthy choices. Okay.
Do you know what? That looks really good. Don't drop any.
I won't. Let me know when you've got enough.
Oh, that'll do.
Okay. Here you are. And here's your fork.
Hang on a minute. Let the viewers see. I think that looks cracking. I'll get back to you and tell you how it is.
Go on then, Graham.
Hang on. We've got some parmesan to put on it. Hey, you can go away, please. Try not to waste any of this.
Oh.
Sorry, no gloves. Ah. You know what? That's the best chilli I've had in ages. Brilliant. Thanks, Penny.
No problem. See what you can do when you're camping. I'm going to serve mine up now.
Right, what do you reckon?
This is brilliant, Graham. You need to learn how to make this. It's really good. I'm going to be having some more in a minute, that's for sure.
Hang on a minute. What do you think, Bandit? I want some. Copper's sulking because she keeps running away, and we've had to put her on the lead.
Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed our video, please like, subscribe, share, do everything. If you would like the recipe for the chilli, then please leave a message in the comments and I will gladly share it with you. That's it from us on our camping trip. Now it's time to relax and have a drink and maybe even sing some campfire songs. Join us again on Butterfly Cottage. Bye! Cheers!
Cheers.